Okay guys, in this video we are learning the basic tips and tricks about our notepad or Windows typing experience. Okay, here is our notepad. So we are typing here hello. Then how to change this hello text style? Just go to text or font style. Okay, just go to format, then select font. Then you can see there is all of your font installed by your computer. Is here. You can just click here, then use your uh, keyboard arrow keys for changing that. So I'm selecting this one. Then also you can select a font style like regular, obligate, bold, bold and obligate. Okay, and you can also select the font size like this. Then you can see our font style and font is changed. Then you type anything, it is just like this. So that's very useful. You can also change that to default one like Adobe. Okay, then like this. Select regular. So like this. So this is the basic tips about our notepad. That's it. So font control, you can change size and also change it to script like Western, Central European, Turkish, Baltic, Mac. Okay. Okay guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.